Hello, welcome. My name is Professor on Weird Confessions, episode number 4. Welcome. How are you finding the Weird Confessions? Are you laughing like me? Are you commenting? Are you liking? Are you sharing? And are you telling your friends about Weird Confessions? We are here just to tell you that we are the weirdos and we don't care what other people think. We are here to confess. If you want to confess or send me your confession, just go onto my email. That is lishacrystals@gmail.com. Send in your confessions and trust me, I'll be able to come here and read it to our viewers and we shall share your confessions to the rest of the world. To every weirdo that is there and enjoys this program, thank you so much. If it is your first time, please subscribe. If you're not new here, please go ahead and like, comment, share, and tell a friend to follow us on YouTube. Weird Confessions. We are here. Today, I decided to have some water with me because this confession, trust me, you're gonna love it. Sip on the water and then let's go into our Weird Confession, episode number 4. All right. So, Amber, you okay? You're good? You're looking lovely. Always. Okay. So, hello admin, you know I'm a single mom. Okay. I hadn't prepped for this. This is a weird, like a confession I hadn't even, read through. But let's read it together. Admin, yes, please. Please stop calling me admin. Call me Professor. Professor of Weirdos. So, as a single mom, I think I date for survival, but this guy, Tajja Kulya. I had gone to shower course so I can get ready for the game. Omanyi, the whole house is under surveillance. So, sika busente bano sibe bafulumya noodles. Cameras are from the gate ate ziri clear bitya. Eram faking periods ngende ene weirdo in Chira, Kiria. Chira. In Kiria. Chira. Oh, my producer. Ene weirdo in Chira antwaleko ekawempe bambi it's late na ye wano sisulao. Owe kawempe akoza atya. Nawe awe kawempe bujonga simanyi nga bantu batiti. What happened to kawempe people? We have like only 2 regions. Everyone nezagala regions, nezagala their own country. Abe Masaka bali bagala nsi yaabwe, n'abe Kawempe nga balina Republic of Kawempe. Si shiba sijava, gosinga okwagala kale. So, Fig for America, Big Eye, Chameleon, but Kawempe has talent, by the way. Mudra, Kawempe has talent. So, Fig Gaza, so, okay, what is this even confession about? I think this is a single mother, first of all. So, she was dating this guy, but I think reaching at this guy's place. And it is all covered up under surveillance. Waliwo camera, buliwamu. I think even in the bedroom, because why would she be running? So she looked at, I think, the camera. And the cameras were clear, So she said, what do I do? She had to put up excuses. So she said she was going to shower. But in the shower, she had to think what next after showering. She had to fake periods, like in Songa. What is it, one Songa? So, and she had to run. So, she's asking if there is any weirdo around Kawempe, around Chira, to help her take her out of that place to Kawempe, because this is unbelievable. So, so this one says, guys then blame men for not wanting to settle with single mothers. These women choose hoeing rather than being submissive to their would-be husbands. That one we just leave, We pass. I never see. This one says the confession was of emergency, but admin posts whenever or wherever she wants. We wanted us to post, because some of you send your confessions that in the night when I'm also sleeping. So how would we have posted this immediately? So, kumachagano okedde kola bwenzi nga ffe tugenda kuyiriba. This one must have read the confession in the morning when we posted it. So, this one says, I thought we are all fasting. Other people are not my friend. The whole Uganda is not about Muslims. Okitegedde bulungi nnyo? Abakatuliki nabo bali mu lent period. Naye temumpapya nnyo kubanga nange mbalindidde ebbanga. Mukitegedde? So today I came first. Anyways, yeah, you came first. Noodles. I have a friend who likes noodles. So are we talking about those noodles or the other? Twogera kuza abantu abo muzimanyi. God VV, mubimanyi ebyo. God VV, n'abalala bakati n'abalala.